My name's Tim Cowie. I live in Southbourne in Bournemouth, which is in Dorset on the south coast of England. I've got the coast, the sea. On my doorstep I can walk to the sea. On the other side I've got the New Forest, so I'm surrounded by the natural world. I'm a sound designer, composer, electronic musician, and I'm also a visual artist. I've always done music and video, moving image together. For me, they just go hand in hand. I think sound's really interesting, and it differs from visual material. It's more ephemeral. It's harder to put your finger on it. You can't hold it. You can't touch it. It's sort of there and it's gone. I think sound also has music as well. I think sound and music has the ability to move us in a way that no other art does. Very early in my career I was interested in John Cage and the idea that noise is only noisy when you're not really listening to it. If you listen to it, it becomes interesting. Every sound has something interesting about it. The brief for the project was extremely open. I was invited to create a 5-minute sound piece for the Sennheiser AMBEO Soundbar to explore this sense of space and spatialization of sound. I really wanted to look at sound itself and explore what is sound, what's our relationship with sound, what does it mean to us. I wanted to take people on a journey through sound. I wanted to take people on a journey that sort of painted pictures with sound. I want to give them clues of space and environments, and let them build up their own visual image of what that is, where they are. I found myself listening really deeply to environments. What makes a space sound big? What makes a space sound open? What are those details that are giving you the clues of where you are? So I really wanted to communicate with the audience some of these more complex and conceptual ideas around sound and listening. So I developed a script and worked with a voiceover artist, and hopefully that helps guide them through the piece and makes them listen on a deeper level. The other thing that was really interesting was working with a string quartet and recording them. The idea is to literally put the listener in between the 4 players and allow them the option to listen to them individually, and then to bring all those instruments together in their own mind and to have the piece kind of forming within them. So hopefully the audience, the listeners, the experience will transport them to different places. It's hopefully going to trigger some memories, some visual memories as well as these audio memories, and let people build up these images in their minds. Whenever I do any kind of field recording projects, I've learned to listen again. I think you forget to sometimes. I think it's really important just to stop and take everything in and let it all wash over you.